Hi guys, I'm Lali
I'm Ria.
and today with English Troop,
We are giving some tips on how to practice for your presentation.
wait and watch.
Hi Lali.
Hey Ria, how's life?
Good, but you know what? I have a presentation coming and I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
Yes.
You're somebody who loves to talk.
Yes, I do, but the thing is when it comes to facing a crowd and talking in front of them,
I know
scared.
that can be a problem for a lot of people, but guess what? I have a few tips that can help you.
Okay.
But first things first, when do you have your presentation?
In 15 days.
15 days, perfect time. For the next 14 days, there's something I want you to do.
Okay.
And if you follow that really well, believe me, you will ace this.
Okay.
Right? You have a mirror at home, right?
Yes, I do.
There's this thing called mirror practice. Have you ever heard of it before?
No.
All right. I want you to look at the mirror,
Okay.
face yourself,
Okay.
and talk.
Okay.
I want you to by heart the presentation as much as you can.
Okay.
And when you speak to the audience, I don't want you to keep looking at your book, at the PPT and present.
Okay.
I want you to say it as natural as it can get.
Okay.
Right? And when you're practicing in front of the mirror, I want you to make sure that you have eye contact with yourself. You're looking at your face, how your face moves, and your intonation is on point. I want you to make sure you do all of that.
Okay.
Right? And when you face a crowd, I want you to smile.
Okay.
You have a beautiful smile, but show it to the audience, right? When you smile, people know that, okay, she's confident, she knows what she's doing, and that's completely fine, right? And when you talk, I don't want you keeping your hands that way. I don't want you keeping it to your body.
Okay.
I want your hands to be outstretched. And the more you talk that way, the better. People are like, okay, she knows what she's doing. She's smiling, she's looking at us, she's talking, she's intonating her voice. Perfect. And you do all this on a regular basis for the next 14 days. Believe me, on the 15th day, your presentation is going to be amazing.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Just do it and you're good to go.
Okay, thank you.
All right, see ya. Bye. Bye.